The 6 coils, blue arrows, are on the top of the valve covers, with 3 being on each side. You do not need to remove the engine cover to perform this work, but it just pulls straight up by the corners and gives you a little more room to work. We are going to show you on the left bank coils, blue arrows, as it is more difficult, but the right bank has the same procedures. Begin by removing the airbox lid, side, and the filter, along with loosening the coolant expansion tank, red arrows. It will give you a lot more room to work and easier access to the 2 E10 bolts holding the wiring harness and ground cables down, blue arrows. Use an E10 socket or wrench and remove the 2 E10 hold-down bolts as indicated by the red arrows. The front 2 wiring connections are covered in a plastic sheath. Squeeze down on the clips, red arrow, and slide the connections off the coils. You can now move the harness out of the way, blue arrow, and disconnect the connection for the rear coil, yellow arrow. Use a T27 torque and loosen the single hold-down bolt, red arrow. The bolt stays in the coil housing and can be used to help lift the coil from the plug. Gently wiggle and lift the coils straight up and out. There is no way to tell if a coil is working by looking at it, but you can inspect the wiring end, red arrow, and the plug end, blue arrow, for damage. Installation is the reverse of removal. Some people like to put a very small amount of dielectric grease on the inside of the plug end. I personally do not on the Macan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.